Bitcoin has hit all-time record highs of over $120,000 per coin, and now we're finally starting to see altcoins rally. We've seen Ethereum break above $3,100 per coin, and many altcoins are up over 20% in the last couple of days. For this reason, I've been looking at a lot of meme coins because usually we see the same cycle. Bitcoin rally first, then Ethereum, then altcoins and meme coins. And so right now, top meme coins are still performing pretty well. We're seeing a lot of them up 25, 35, 100% gains in the last 7 days, but I am investing in a lot of different pre-sale projects, and one that I invested in recently is called Token 6900. And the reason why I invested in this is because it's a pure meme play, and they really don't have any utility, but these are the projects that usually see massive gains when they launch and they're in the market. What we saw, for example, is like with SPX 6900. SPX was a project that is over $1 billion in market cap, the number 82 largest crypto by market cap, and Token 6900 is like tracking off of that project. They're piggybacking off of the success we saw with SPX 6900, and I think Token 6900 could do the exact same thing, reach that over $1 billion market cap if it gains the right traction. And I think it's doing it because if we look at some of the articles that have come out about this project, we can see that just a couple of days ago, July 7th, a little over a week ago, Token 6900 pre-sale sees soaring demand as analyst calls it the best meme coin to buy. And at this time, just 1 week ago, there was over $200,000 raised in the pre-sale. But now, in less than a week, we are at over $550,000 raised. That shows you how much people are talking about this project and how exciting it really is. If we look at their website, it says, they gave us SPX 6900. We gave them the best crypto pre-sale, Token 6900. Millions are slowly realizing the truth. 6900 is not just a number, it's a natural peak of human thought, the divine intersection of meme and market, and the new global benchmark for brain rot finance. Ultimately, if you look at all the details on their website, they talk about how they are simply a meme coin. There's nothing else to it. There's a lot of projects that are building out utility and trying to have like intricate white papers and plans to revolutionize DeFi, but Token 6900 has like no fake utility, no roadmap, no grand vision beyond exactly what it says it is, which is strictly a meme coin. And so that's why I think when we're starting to see meme coins rally 20, 30, 100% in 7 days, I think that is the best time to get into projects like this that are strictly meme coin plays. We can see SPX has rallied 17% in the last 7 days, but there's a lot of meme coins that have done close to 100%. So now that we're looking at it, I think this could be a project to really be the top performing meme coin in 2025. If you look at some of the tokenomics, you can see the details of it. 40% Token 6900 marketing, 5% staking rewards, 10% Vibe liquidity, 24.9993%. Does anyone have a dolphin? 5% rewards, airdrops, burn, 0.0007% developer Moonbag lock for 5 years, and 15% Vibe coding development. You can see this whole project is all about jokes and memes, and really that's what this entire sector of the market should be. When you're looking at meme coins, a lot of them promise like utility or have roadmaps, but ultimately the truth is behind meme coins is simply a meme, a funny idea, and a community. And that's exactly what they're trying to do. Right now, we can see a lot of projects in the meme coin sector are above $100 million market cap. All of them from this project higher or have above $100 million market cap. And based on the current pricing for Token 6900 in their pre-sale, this would be a significant increase over, a 20x return from the TLDR hard cap of 5 million USD. So you can see this is something that is very exciting. You can see what they say about this. When will this Token 69 meet? Soon. Only the future can show that Token 6900 is the best crypto pre-sale to buy in. It says it talks about, will Token 6900 pre-sale solve my problems? They just have all the jokes on their page, and that's exactly what I'm excited about with this project, is that they're not promising any fake utility. They're not having this intense roadmap. They don't have any of that. They're all about memes. In addition to that, they also have staking. You can see that in terms of the amount of tokens staked, they already have close to 46 million tokens that are staked for their project. That's something that is mind-blowing. You can see for T6900, there's 45,956,574 tokens staked. The estimated rewards are 101%, and current rewards is 17.71 per ETH block. So there's, already people who are believing in this project long-term and are excited to lock up their supply for, a certain period of time in exchange for their staking rewards. Last thing I want to talk about is if you look at Lightpaper. If you click on Lightpaper, you can see this document about the project. But again, since the whole project is about 6900 being strictly a meme coin, you can see all the details about it. They talk a little bit about the pre-sale time frame, payment methods, which is, similar for any pre-sale. They talk about the roadmap, which is like very generic. It just says phase 1 conception, web page coded. Phase 2 is consciousness, social growth, memes intensify, tokenless, Vibers discover, and phase 3 vibes. So you could see that this whole community, their whole roadmap is all about just growing their community, building the token, and not having any real utility or games or trying to reinvent DeFi. They're trying to be the face of the meme coin sector in this stage of the bull market, and they're trying to be the next project that rallies like SPX 6900 did. SPX 6900 went from nothing to over $1 billion market cap, really $1.5 billion. And so token 6900, I think, can do the exact same thing in this market. So I did buy into their pre-sale, and I'm excited to see what happens with the project. They haven't launched just yet, but when they do, I think there's going to be a lot of excitement around it.